So this is our Kenmore Elite Series HE5 steam dryer. It's given an F01 error, which typically is a circuit board error. Kind of show you what it's doing. Power on, it powers up fine. It goes to 40 minutes for the drying cycle, like it always does. Everything looks ready to go. You push the start button. Dings, should be drying at this point. Nothing's going on. And we wait a few seconds. And we get the F01 error. So what I found out is there's a little circuit board that's down in this area here, and we're going to see if we can repair that. So I took the lid off. There's just 2 screws on the back, and the lid just slides right off. And then you've got this the circuit board right here, and now what you want to do is make sure when you disconnect all these wires that you know you've either taken a picture or you've drawn out so that you know where they connect back to. But what we're going to do, there's right underneath here, there's a little screw that it's going to be hard to see. I've got to kind of lift this up, and I've got to take that screw out, and that's going to free this little board up so I can take it out. And you can tell there's a lot of dust and stuff in there, so I'm going to have to clean it out a little bit as well. So finally got it disassembled and got it away from out on the counter here where I can work with it a little bit better. First thing, I'm going to try to clean this up a little bit, get some of these little fuzz balls out of here. That cleaned up pretty good. Now what you've got to do, we're gonna have to try to hold on, just give a little gentle pressure to this right here, because we're gonna have to pull the board out. These little clips, there's 6 of them. They're holding the board down in there, so we've got to try to get the board out so we can turn it over. And voila! So I got the board out, and this is exactly what I watched on the video that I watched before attempting this. This could be the very scene from that video. This is exactly what happened. The little solder spot has just exploded, went everywhere inside here, so we're going to try to clean that out best we can. And then what we're going to do is attempt to solder this little area back so my circuit board works, and hopefully the dryer works. So here's our little circuit board. I've actually went and soldered a wire into the circuit, so now we're just gonna put it back in and see if it works. Okay, so I've reinstalled the circuit board, and got the lid back on, got the dryer plugged back up again. So now we're going to see how this works. We're going to power it up. Powers up fine. Goes to the 40 minutes, but it did this when I had the circuit board in that was bad. The red flashing light just indicates that we've got to open it up and kind of check the lint trap each time before you use it. Then the light goes away. So now we're ready to see what happens here. Alright, and we're going. So seems to be working. So basically we just took a $400 repair and repaired it for $20. I've been told, we bought our dryer at Sears, and I've been told that if we call Sears, they're going to charge an $80 service call. It's a $208 circuit board, and then about $120 for labor. So that's about $400, and basically cost me $20. I've never done soldering before, so I didn't have a soldering gun, so I went down to Lowe's and purchased a $18 soldering gun and about 6 inches of wire, and fixed the circuit board myself, and the dryer seems to be working. Hopefully it'll